Lemon balm, also known as Melissa officinalis, is a lemon-scented herb that comes from the same family as mint. Lemon balm is native to Europe, North Africa and West Asia, but is also grown all over the world. Lemon balm has traditionally been used to improve mood and cognitive function, but the potential benefits don't stop there. Lemon balm is said to soothe the symptoms of stress, help you to relax and boost your mood. It has also been used to help reduce the symptoms of anxiety such as nervousness and excitability. Combining lemon balm with valerian may help relieve restlessness and sleep disorders such as insomnia. Lemon balm can relieve the symptoms of cold sores if you apply lemon balm topically at the first sign of a cold sore. Lemon balm has also been known to relieve indigestion. If you experience frequent abdominal pain and discomfort, lemon balm may have a positive effect on your digestive system. Given its potential impact on your digestive system, lemon balm also may help relieve the feelings of nausea. Drink a cup of lemon balm tea at the first sign of nausea. There is also research to suggest that lemon balm can be used to relieve menstrual cramps and premenstrual syndrome. Lemon balm may also be useful in treating headaches, especially if they are happening as a result of stress. Its relaxing properties can help you to unwind, release tension and relax your muscles. Lemon balm's pain-relieving properties may make it an ideal choice for relieving toothache pain. In addition to drawing on its relaxing properties, this home remedy is thought to target inflammation in the body. Use a cotton swab to apply lemon balm oil to the affected area as needed. Be sure to select an oil that has already been diluted by a carrier oil, such as jojoba. If you purchase pure lemon balm oil, you should always dilute it. Essential oils should not be applied direct to the skin until they are diluted in a carrier oil. But just because you can grow it certainly doesn't mean lemon balm benefits everyone. You should avoid lemon balm if you have a hypothyroid, because it can have negative effects with your thyroid medication. Some people have an allergic reaction to lemon balm, ranging from anaphylaxis responses and rashes. Use caution if lemon balm is new to you. Now I'm going to show you how to make a delicious lemon balm pesto. You'll need 3/4 of a cup of lemon balm leaves tightly packed, half a cup of pine nuts, 1 teaspoon of chives, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and salt and pepper to taste. Place all the ingredients in a blender and incorporate for a few minutes. You may wish to add a small amount of water halfway through to help combine the ingredients.